Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us discuss a term called synchronous manufacturing. A manufacturer obtains raw material from supplier, processes them in production center and distributes them to customer. Synchronous manufacturing and just-in-time manufacturing are the two systems that allow manufacturer to reduce the time between customers' placement of order and receipt of the product. Order to cash cycle. Even though the goals of these two systems are similar, differences exist between these two systems. Manufacturing velocity is the speed at which a manufacturer produces the product. Manufacturer obtain this number by dividing current cycle time by value added time. Current cycle time refers to how long it takes between removing material from storage until placing finished product in the warehouse. Value added time refers to the processing time of a manufacturing operation that add value to the product. Synchronous manufacturing is in production occurs in different production centers. Some centers have constraints that limit the rate of production and some centers do not. Both the type of centers must focus on using raw material to produce goods that are nearly ready for shipment to the customer, with the production schedule closely following the level of customer orders. The manufacturer saves money on the cost of transporting raw material to production centers and by preventing the storage of raw material near the production center that are not required for satisfying actual customer order. Whereas just-in-time manufacturing model pursues a higher manufacturing velocity by phasing out any activity that does not increase the value for the customer. The manufacturer wants to reduce the time between obtaining material and finishing product and may focus on problems such as overproduction, product defects, and waste during transit of raw material. For example, if a manufacturer wants to ensure that the equipment used to produce a plastic doll will result in as many dolls as possible per batch of plastic material, it will focus on the condition of the equipment so that factory workers can make improvement and reduce the number of defective dolls they must throw away. The difference between these two methods is in manufacturing velocity. Just-in-time production focuses on sourcing raw material just in time for factory use according to the production schedule. It helps manufacturer to be able to store low quantity of raw material. Whereas synchronous manufacturing ensures that the manufacturer processes raw material into finished product in the order the customer places order or first in first out. The latter model does not work well when there is a delay in receipt of raw material or parts. Thanks for watching. Bye.